Unboxing the meaning. Gift box included. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up in product descriptions, promotional materials, and special offers. Gift box included. Understanding these words can enhance your shopping experience and help you in various communication scenarios. So, let's unwrap the meaning together. The phrase, gift box included, is straightforward yet packed with meaning. It consists of three key components. Gift box, a decorative box designed to hold a present. It's usually more attractive than a standard box and is intended to make the act of giving more special. Included. This means that the item mentioned is part of the offer without requiring additional payment. When companies or sellers state, gift box included, they are informing you that the product comes with a complimentary gift box. This is a bonus, enhancing the presentation of the item, especially if you're considering it as a gift for someone else. Why is gift box included significant? For several reasons. Saves time and money. It eliminates the need for you to find a separate gift box, making gift giving more convenient. Enhances presentation. A gift box adds a touch of elegance and thoughtfulness to your present. Indicates a special offer. This phrase often signals a promotion or a special touch by the seller, making the deal more attractive. Knowing this phrase can help you make informed decisions while shopping, especially when looking for gifts during special occasions like birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. How can you use this knowledge in real-life scenarios? Online shopping. Look for this phrase to get more value out of your purchases, especially when buying gifts. Gift planning. Knowing that a gift box is included, you can plan your gift presentation accordingly. Communication. It enhances your ability to describe and inquire about products when communicating with sellers or friends. Understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and helps you navigate shopping and gifting with more confidence. We hope this exploration of the phrase, gift box included, has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English language journey. Remember, every piece of vocabulary is a tool in your communication toolkit, making your expressions richer and more precise. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.